Hi, welcome to the video. My name's Amy, I'm the maker behind Sherbet Studios, and today I want to talk you through how to increase in crochet. In a crochet pattern, increase is sometimes abbreviated down to INC or INC. So when you see INC or increase in a crochet pattern, this is what they'll be talking about. So an increase is effectively just increasing the number of stitches in your round or in your row, which will overall increase the size of your crochet project. Now we do this by crocheting 2 stitches in the same space that we would usually crochet 1 stitch. So here I have the start of a project. So this is started with a magic ring and we're ready to carry on some rows of increases to increase the size of the project. In the same way here with this chicken, we started at the top with a magic ring with 6 single crochets, and with each row we increased the number of stitches so the project became wider. To start off, we have finished the previous row and we're ready to start in the first stitch of the next round. So what we want to do is, in the next single crochet, we're going to do a normal single crochet. But the thing with an increase is that we're crocheting 2 stitches in the same space. So in that same single crochet space that we did the first single crochet, we're going to go back in with the hook and do another single crochet. So that's 2 single crochets in 1 space. Now I'll do it again with the next stitch. So we have the stitch here, go into that stitch space with the hook, pull through some yarn, and then yarn over, pull through the loops. That's 1 single crochet. Into that same space, go in again, pull the yarn through, and yarn over, pull the yarn through, and that is 1 increase. So do it one more time. So to increase in this next stitch, go in once, do a single crochet, and in a second time to increase the number of stitches. And there we go. So in terms of crochet patterns, what you'll tend to see in terms of final stitch counts is you may start the round with 6 single crochets or 6 stitches in a round, and if you increased in every stitch, that would double it because you're doing 2 stitches for every 1 stitch. So if you had 6 single crochets in a round and increased in every single stitch, you'd then have 12 single crochets in the next round. Now, obviously in this pattern we're working with single crochet, but this is exactly the same if you're working in half double crochet, anything really. If you're doing half double crochets and you want to increase, this might look a bit strange on this project because this is all single crochets, but do half double crochet here, through all 3 loops, and then you just do another one in exactly the same space. Doesn't matter what stitch your pattern is using, an increase just means 2 of those stitches in 1 stitch space. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful, but please do let me know if you have any questions at all down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer every single one. Wish you all the best with your crochet project and hope to see you again soon. Bye!